Hi, I'm Mr. Barrett, and I'm going to show you how to do something that we're going to do a lot of times this year, which is how to go to Socrative. First thing I'm going to do is go in the bar right here, and I'm going to type Socrative, SOCRATIVE.com. And the next thing that I can do in order to save that is I can click the little star, which is on the side over here. See the star up there where my arrow is? And you can see that I've already done it because it says Socrative right there. And that'll help me to just click on here and go there. For now, I want you to click Login, click Student Login, and then the room name. Now the quiz that we're going to practice with is in the room called 4Q61YYUU. And I don't have to type capital or small letters, it types it all capital letters. I click to join, and it asks me what my name is. For this case, we're going to call me Chuck E. Cheese. So I'm going to type in Cheese Chucky. I always want you to use your last name and then your first name. It helps me when it's time for me to do grades because they'll be in alphabetical order. My grade book's usually in alphabetical order. Please remember to do that. Last name, first name, whenever you go into Socrative. I'm going to click Done, and then I'm going to start the quiz. Now, a fully developed character that has distinct personality, background, and motives, I'm going to guess round character. Oh, I got it right. And it tells me that I got it right and what the right answer was. Then I click OK. A long work of fiction that has characters, conflict, plot, and setting. Well, I know that that's a novel, but I'm going to show you what happens if I get it wrong. I'm going to click essay, and you can see that I got it wrong because it is a novel like I told you that it was. Okay, now I get mad at myself because I missed one. I know what I'll do. I'll go back on Socrative, and I'll log back in, and I'll click Student Login, and I'll type the room name, and I'll type my name, click Done, and I'll start the quiz again. Now, the first thing you might notice is this question is not the same question. The author leaves clues about what will happen in the story later. Well, that's foreshadowing. Yes, I got it right. Regular literature that's divided into paragraphs and sentences. That's prose. All right, I got it right. I'm on a roll. Now, what I want you to see is that Mr. Barrett can get in and take a look at what you're doing. In this case, I've got a couple examples in here. Chucky has taken this quiz a couple times, and in this one up here, on the very top, Chucky got 2 right. In this one, Chucky got 1 wrong and 1 right. So what I want you to see is that whenever I see 1 wrong, whenever I see a red, I take off a point. So I want you to remember that Mr. Barrett can do that, and he will take off points when you get something wrong. So you can go back in and you can take as many times as you want. Now 4Q61YYUU, that's a practice room. So I can go in there and I can miss as many as I want, and I can try the quiz as many times as I want to practice. And I'll give you specific days that you'll take the quizzes. And on those days when you take the quizzes, then you'll have to be able to do as well as you can in one try. Because again, if you go back and you try them again, you can see that Mr. Barrett can see what happened. So just remember, if I'm going to Socrative, I'm going to type in Socrative.com. I'm going to click Login. I'm going to click Student Login. I'm going to type in the name of the room that I want to use. And then I'm going to click Join. And then I'm going to type in my name, last name, and first name. And then click Go or Forward or whatever the yellow bar says. And then I'll be able to take my quiz on Socrative.